Do you love using Canva? Are you using it for your projects, social media postings, or resume? Do you know that you can earn $100 to $300 per day just by using Canva? Don't just use it for your projects. Make money with it. The question now is, how can you make money on Canva? Don't worry, we will answer that how in today's video. Hi, welcome to Cash Baggy. In this channel, we talk about income opportunities such as side hustles, online income streams, and financial security. All in all, let's talk about money. For social media posts, banners, and images, Canva is now the go-to design tool. Anyone with little to no graphic design experience may create a spectacular piece of art thanks to free access to templates, stock pictures, movies, and graphics. Canva is certainly well known to most bloggers and content producers, but few people know how you can use this entertaining graphic design tool to support your business. In reality, the popularity of the Canva design platform is increasing to the point where you can now use it to establish a specific specialization and support your freelancing career. To all those beginners that are not yet monetizing Canva, here's how you can make money in it. Number 1. Create a social media marketing layout. Social media sites are increasingly focusing on image or video-based content. For instance, bloggers and online company owners frequently depend on attention-grabbing images to make their social media posts stand out. This implies that there is a large window of opportunity for designers to profit from the sale of Canva-produced social media graphics. Even if you are not a graphic designer, you can make money by looking for a job as a social media manager. Just create a marketing design in Canva, then come up with a catchy caption. You might register as a freelancer on a website like Fiverr and promote your Canva design services. This might be an excellent entry point for various kinds of graphic design work, such as designing landing pages, sales pages, or video content. Number 2. Be a Canva affiliate. The Canva Pro affiliate program must be considered when it comes to making money with Canva. After signing up for the Canva Pro affiliate program, you will receive a fixed commission if someone joins Canva using your affiliate link. You can still make money using this affiliate strategy even if you've never used Photoshop or graphic design. Register as an affiliate. Promote Canva on social media by posting graphics using Canva as a design tool and earn a commission. Easy, right? Number 3. Be a Canva coach. Teaching others how to do things is one of the ways you may develop your business. Ultimately, you want to encourage people and demonstrate to them that regardless of their level of experience, they can create something extraordinary. You may quickly start a blog and inform your readers about Canva through your ideas and instructions. When YouTube offers you a fantastic opportunity, you may create tutorial videos for Canva, and YouTube would place ads on those videos. Then, you'll earn money based on your views. You can also put your affiliate link on Canva in your videos. That's an additional income for you. What do you think about these points so far? Please share them in the comment section below. And hey, if you are still new to our channel and love our topics, please consider subscribing so that you will be notified anytime we upload a new video. Also, give it a thumbs up, as this will allow YouTube to show this video to more people. Thanks! And now let's continue. Number 4. Be a Canva contributor. Canva might be the best platform for you if you're a graphic designer who wants to make more money and gain more recognition. By aiding Canva in expanding its media and element libraries, contributing to the platform is a terrific opportunity to boost your profile and generate more business. Become a contributor on Canva and learn how to make money using Canva. Canva opens up a whole new market for your work while being used by more than 65 million people in 179 countries. You can easily upload your work and get paid every time someone uses it while designing with Canva. Number 5. Create and sell your own templates. You can easily and profitably generate money online by creating your own designs on Canva and selling them as templates. You can use a design template to develop your own website, banner, social media designs, etc. because it is a unique, pre-designed layout. When a small firm lacks the funds to pay a designer to build a design from scratch, they frequently use design templates. Creating templates is a great way to indulge your creative interests without being constrained by specific client requests. Instead, you get to make your own briefs and design them in a manner of your choosing. Though it does require a lot of patience and ingenuity to generate so many designs, it's a rewarding approach to perfecting your skill. Number 6. Create personalized designs and sell products. Selling mugs and t-shirts with your custom design on them is one way to make money with Canva. With the help of Canva, you can develop eye-catching and captivating design concepts for usage on various personalized products. Selling your designs will be simple because modern marketing and promotional initiatives often feature products. Many sports teams and social media influencers utilize their personalized goods to deepen their connection and allegiance with their audience. On the other hand, consumers request customized coffee and photo mugs for brand promotions, gifts, freebies, and personal usage. You may display your artistic and creative talents on these mug designs and begin making money with Canva. Number 7. Create an ebook cover. Have you ever thought about the effects of an ebook cover design? What attracts readers is the book's cover. It's what entices them to buy and read the book. If you have an excellent eye for design, creating an ebook cover is a great way to make money using Canva. Potential buyers will avoid a book with a poorly designed cover since they won't feel like the story appeals to them right away. Since it's the first thing potential readers see, it will determine whether or not they want to continue reading. Take a look at Fiverr, Upwork, and other outsourcing markets to look for a client. It is an in-demand and profitable service. For anyone looking to make money, Canva is a great site. The tools and resources offered by Canva can be used to your advantage whether you're looking to start your own business or earn some additional money. Users of Canva may make anything they want without having any design experience thanks to the platform's over 1 million designs and templates. Start making money now. What do you think about this topic? Do you agree with us too? Do you want to make money using Canva? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.